in the TSP. He wrote a book called Rex. As an appreciation, he received the book of his choice through sponsorship from Indigo. Congratulations, Evan.
Come on up. So we have a published author in our midst. Next year, maybe some of the other juniors can participate as well. So we'll try to push that next year, and we'll see how many other authors we can have at Bridlewood. So congratulations. His book is called Rex. We have a couple of copies in the library, but if you want your own personal copy, it's on sale at Amazon.